was present at the trial at Delhi, and he was rejected ultimately because he has gone joined some international tournaments also previously. But when he asked the selection committee why he was not selected, the selection committee gave him a copy of the letter of the Prithipal Singh, in which it was mentioned that this gentleman the player should not be selected. It has links with the terrorists, and if you select him, he will bring a disgrace for the country. So such sort of attitude, how can we expect from a sportsman who is an international Olympian, 3 gold medalist person, and he, in spite of all these achievements, he becomes a hurdle in the promotion of the very young generation. Quite opposite we expect from such sort of persons or great personalities. So that is why it is my personal opinion.
But sir, that is a divided opinion, because like Mr. Benz also said that there was a large cross section of students who loved Pritipal. And because of campus politics, which is written in Sandeep's book, maybe he can ask you 1 or 2 points. The fact is that it became very ugly, divided, and that was at that time. So somewhere along the line, he lost control. Also, there is an element of his bravery. I felt that before he got shot, उनसे कहा गया कि आप वीसी ने कहा आप छुट्टी ले लीजिए, यहाँ माहौल ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन वो कभी माने नहीं इस बात को, वो डटे रहे. तो ये तो उनका स्पिरिट भी है.
It is not a determination. It is an example of adamant attitude on the part of an officer.
But Ajay, if I just ask you,
Yeah.
Can I add something here?
Yeah.
Pyara Singh was